I am Christy, Assistant Professor, Computer Science Department, St. Joseph's College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Kadalur 1. This video, let us see about data collection methods in research methods. Contents are data collection definition, primary data definition, secondary data definition, primary data collection methods, questionnaire definition, questionnaire techniques, specific objectives of questionnaire, purpose of questionnaire, schedule, features of schedules and types of schedule. Data collection definition. It is a process of collecting information from all the sources to find answers to the research problem, to test the hypothesis and evaluate the outcomes. Data collection method can be divided into two categories: primary methods of data collection and secondary methods of data collection. Primary data definition. When the data collected directly by the researcher for the first time is called primary data. It is original in nature and is specific to a research problem under study. Primary data is data that is collected by a researcher from first-hand sources using methods like surveys, interviews and experiments. It is collected with the research project in mind directly from primary sources. Secondary data definition. Secondary data means data that are already available. That is, they refers to the data which have already been collected and analyzed by someone else. Primary data collection methods: interview method, Delphi method, projective method, focus group interviews and questionnaire method. Interview method. It is most used primary data collection method. The interviewer asks questions either personally or through mail or telephone from the respondents to obtain the accurate result of the problem under study. The researcher may visit the respondent in person at his home or meet him in particular location. In case a large group of respondents is to be contacted through mail and telephone survey. In the mail survey, the questionnaires are sent to the respondent who is expected to give answers to the questions via mail. In the case of telephone survey, the interviewers are called and asked questions to the specific research problem. Delphi technique. It's a forecasting technique. In this technique, the researcher responds the information from the panel of experts either personally or through a questionnaire sent through the mail. Here, each expert in his respective field is asked to give their opinions on the problem concerned, and the consolidated view of all is used to reach for the most accurate answer. Projective techniques. The projective techniques are the unstructured and an indirect interview method. The respondents are unable to decide to give answers if the objective is disclosed. In this situation, the respondents are provided with incomplete situation and are required to complete it through their motivations, attitudes, opinions, feelings related to the concerned issues get revealed. Projective techniques are thematic apperception test, role playing, cartoon completion, word association and sentence completion. In thematic apperception test, the respondent is presented with multiple pictures and asked to describe what he thinks about the picture. In role playing, the imaginary situations are given to the respondent and asked to enact in a way how they have in the situation. Cartoon completion. Here, the respondents are shown the cartoon pictures comprising of two or more characters and then are asked to give their ideas and opinion about the characters. Word association. The researchers provide a set of words to the respondent and then ask them to tell what comes to their mind when they hear a particular word. In sentence completion, the researcher provides the incomplete sentences to the respondents and asks them to complete it. It's used to check whether the ideas of the respondents are correct or not. Focus group interview. It is one of the widely used data collection methods in small group of people that usually consist of 6 to 12 members. Here, each individual is required to provide his accurate answer on the issue concerned and reach to the unanimous decision. In this interview, there is a moderator who regulates the discussion among the group members. Questionnaire method. It is the most evident method of data collection, which comprised of a set of questions related to the research problem. This method is very convenient in case the data are to be collected from the diverse problem, that is diverse population. It mainly includes the printed set of questions, either open-ended or closed-ended. Closed-ended means it consists of limits. That means its answer must be yes or no. Open-ended, it does not have any limits, which the respondents are required to answer on the basis of their knowledge and experience with the issue concerned. Questionnaire definition. A questionnaire is structured form, either written or printed, consists of a formalized set of questions. It's used to design to collect information on some subject from one or more respondents. In other words, the data collection techniques wherein the respondents are asked to give answers to the series of questions, written or verbal, about the particular topic is called questionnaire. Questionnaire technique includes field work procedures, gifts or rewards or payments, and communication aids. The field work procedure consists of instructions for approaching, selecting, and asking questions from the respondents. Gifts or rewards or payments, that is offers to the respondents. Communication aids consist of pictures, advertisements, maps, products, and so on. Specific objectives of questionnaire. The information needed must be translated into a set of questions and it can be answered by the respondents. That means constructing the right type of questions that yields the desired answer from the respondents. It is very difficult process. Respondents are encouraged and motivated to get involved in the interview and fill in the complete details. The incomplete questionnaire reduces the importance and useful of the research. So, the designing of questionnaire must be very careful to minimize the response error. The response error is the error it comes from the wrong information given by the respondent. Purpose of questionnaire. To convert the information needed is formalized into a set of questions. These questions present to one or more respondents to collect the desired responses. Finally, interpret and analyze the data being collected. Schedule. It is a tool or instrument used to collect data from the respondents while the interview is conducted. Schedule contains questions, statements, and blank spaces, tables for filling up the respondents. The features of schedules. Schedule is presented by the interviewer. The questions are asked and answers are noted down by him. The list of questions is more formal document. It need not be attractive. It can be used in social research. Types of schedule. Rating schedule. It consists of positive and negative statements of opinion of the phenomenon, that is fact. Document schedules. It's used to collect data from records, evidence, or case histories. Survey schedules. It's like a questionnaires. Observation schedules. It consists of observation method of data collection. Thanks for watching this video.